welcome back to ENGLIVO English. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Eric. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Before we begin, let me ask you a very simple question. Do you want to feel healthier, happier, and more confident when you speak English?
If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place.
Today's topic is healthy habits.
We will talk about real life, and we will learn easy English together.
We will speak slowly.
We will use simple words.
We will repeat important sentences.
So please don't worry.
Just listen
Relax.
and learn with us. What are healthy habits?
Rachel, let's start with the basics. What are healthy habits?
Good question, Eric. Healthy habits are small things you do every day to take care of your body and your mind.
Small things, not big things?
Yes, small things. Healthy habits are not about big changes. They are about daily actions.
Can you give us some examples?
Of course. For example, drinking enough water, walking every day, eating fruits and vegetables, sleeping on time, managing stress.
These habits help you feel better,
They help you have more energy.
and they help you live a better life.
Basic health vocabulary.
Now let's learn some basic health words together.
Word number 1, health.
Health means the condition of your body and mind.
Example sentence. My health is very important.
Repeat after me. My health is important.
Very good.
Next word, healthy.
Healthy is an adjective. Example, I want to eat healthy food.
You can also say, she lives a healthy life.
Next word, habit.
A habit is something you do regularly, something you do again and again.
Example, drinking water is a good habit.
Some bad habits are smoking, eating too much junk food, sleeping very late.
Next word, routine.
Routine is your daily schedule.
Example, my morning routine includes exercise.
Exercise is a very important healthy habit.
Yes, but many beginners think exercise is difficult.
They think exercise means running for 1 hour or lifting heavy weights.
But exercise can be very simple.
You can say, I exercise regularly. I work out at home. I go to the gym.
You can also say, I go for a walk. I stretch in the morning. I do yoga at home.
If you are just starting, you can say, I'm trying to be more active. I'm getting into shape.
Getting into shape means improving your fitness.
Remember, beginners, you don't need expensive equipment.
You don't need a gym membership.
Even walking for 15 minutes a day is exercise.
Personal story. Starting small.
Eric, can you share a personal story?
Sure. A few years ago, I never exercised.
Really? Why not?
I always said, I don't have time.
That sounds familiar.
But the truth was, I didn't make time.
Very honest.
One day, I decided to start small. Very small.
What did you do?
I did 5 minutes of stretching every morning.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes felt easy. It didn't feel scary.
And then what happened?
After 1 week, 5 minutes became 10 minutes.
That's great.
Now, exercise is part of my daily routine. I feel more energetic. I feel more confident.
So the lesson is, start small and stay consistent.
Food and healthy eating.
Now let's talk about food.
Food gives us energy.
You can say, I'm eating healthier. I'm trying to eat better.
Simple sentences for beginners. I eat more vegetables. I eat fruits every day. I drink more water.
When you want to reduce unhealthy food, say, I avoid junk food. I cut down on sugar. I eat less fried food.
Cut down means eat less.
Healthy eating is about balance.
It's not about stopping everything you like.
You can enjoy food, but in moderation.
Sleep and rest.
Sleep is very important for health.
Yes, good sleep helps your body and your brain.
You can say, I get enough sleep. I sleep for 8 hours. I go to bed early.
If you have problems, you can say, I have trouble sleeping. I wake up many times at night.
A very useful phrase is, I have a bedtime routine.
Examples of a bedtime routine. I read before bed. I avoid my phone at night. I listen to calm music.
Mental health and stress.
Now, let's talk about mental health.
Mental health is about your emotions and thoughts.
You can say, I take care of my mental health. I try to manage stress.
Simple habits for mental health: taking breaks, talking to friends, listening to music, going for a walk.
And remember, asking for help is okay.
Drinking water, daily habit.
Eric, do you drink enough water now?
Yes, now I do, but before, no.
What changed?
I started carrying a water bottle everywhere.
That's a great habit.
Now I can say, I drink water regularly. I stay hydrated.
Hydrated means your body has enough water.
Common health expressions.
Let's learn some common health expressions.
First expression, health is wealth.
It means health is very valuable.
Next expression, you are what you eat.
Your food choices affect your body.
And another one, everything in moderation.
Balance is important.
Motivation and consistency.
Motivating is not always easy.
That's true.
You can say, I'm trying my best. I'm making progress.
Progress is better than perfection.
Even small steps matter.
If you miss one day, it's okay.
Just start again the next day.
Talking with others.
You can also talk about health with friends.
You can say, do you want to walk together?
Or, let's try to eat healthier.
Support makes healthy habits easier.
Practice section.
Now it's your turn.
Write in the comments, what healthy habit do you want to start?
Write one simple sentence in English.
For example, I want to drink more water.
Or, I want to walk every day.
We read your comments.
And we learn together.
Closing.
Thank you for watching ENGLIVO English.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.
We post easy English lessons regularly.
Take care of your health. Bye!
See you next time. Bye!